Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Robinhood to your Phantom wallet. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then you need to activate your crypto transfers on your Robinhood. So just head over to the crypto tab and then you will find this verification option. You have to verify your identity if you haven't done it to activate your crypto transfers. So just click on this area and then you just have to provide your details, and once you do that you will be able to activate your transfers. And also you need to enable the two-factor authentication. So just click on this profile icon and then click on this three line menu. After that you have to find this option security and privacy, then click on it, and from there click on this two-factor authentication, and then you just have to select the method that you want to use, such as device approvals, authenticator app, or text SMSs. Then you have to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your registered mobile number, and then it will give you the on step-by-step guide how you can set up the authenticator app or any selected method. So once you have activated the two-factor authentication, your crypto transfer will be activated. After that you just have to open up your Phantom wallet and then you can click on this receive button, and from there you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive in your Phantom wallet. So for example, I'm going to select the Ethereum from here, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. Then click on this wallet address and your wallet address will be copied. After that, again open up your Robinhood app and then click on this cryptos option from the bottom of your screen. Then from here you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you have. Now from here you have to select the same cryptocurrencies that you have selected in your Phantom wallet. So I will just click on search icon and in search bar search for Ethereum and click on Ethereum from search results. Then you have to scroll down and you will find these two options, send and receive. You have to click on send and then just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and on this screen you have to click on this enter manually. After that you just have to paste the wallet address that you have copied from the Phantom wallet and then click on this review button, and once you do that it will ask you to confirm this transfer. So be make sure to check your withdrawal and withdraw amount, and then once you confirm these things, click on transfer and your cryptocurrency will be transferred. So that is how you can connect or transfer the cryptocurrencies with your Phantom wallet to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.